This is video 2 for Unit 10 Formative 2, and this is on qualitative and quantitative data. The thing about qualitative data is this is just describing, okay? This is descriptions, okay? So that would be appearance, you can use your senses for describing. It's not numbers, okay? You're not using numbers. Okay. Quantitative data, that's the quantity we're talking about. We're talking about how much, okay? So that is using numbers, okay? Quantitative data is also measurable. One final thing about qualitative data is that it's observable. First example, the average number of visitors per day of each of 6 different theme parks, okay? So we're getting the average number of visitors, okay? That's measurable, so that's quantitative. Monthly low temperatures in Rochester, New York. Again, temperatures, you measure that. That's with a thermometer, okay? Temperatures, measurable, quantitative. Name of U.S. presidents and the states they were born in. Okay, these are names. You're describing people. Okay, so this is qualitative. And then favorite color and a person's gender. Again, you're describing a person's. Okay, you have, gender is a description. Favorite color, that's a quality. Okay, so that's qualitative. And there you have it. That is qualitative and quantitative data.